Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ever wondered if you could turn in a shipping container into a dream home? Well, today we are diving into the fascinating world of shipping container home builds. Imagine creating a cozy, sustainable living space from something as unexpected as a shipping container. It's not just about thinking outside the box, if about living inside one. Welcome to our faceless journey of the shipping container home build. I promise you by the end of this video we will be inspired and equipped with the knowledge that might just change your perspective on home construction forever. Hi there, I am your host of today, and this is a special one because it's not about me. It's about the incredible transformation these metal gained undergo to become someone. And before we dive in, let me you bite ticks around until the end because I have got something special for you, a reward that will make your journey with us even more worth lines. But first, let's set the stage and explore the why, how, and the what of shipping container homes. Why are people turning to the shipping container for their home? Well, let's face it, the traditional construction can be time consuming, expensive, and not always eco friendly. Shipping container offer a revolutionary alternative, and they are structurally and effectively and have the industrial webs and become increasingly popular. But it's not just about the antithesis, it's about the sustainabilities and the creating a living space that leave a smaller ecological footprint. Now, me walk about the through the fascinating journey of turning simple shipping container into the dream home. But before we jump into the nitty gritty detail, let's me share something exciting with you. If you stay tuned until the end of this video, I have got a reward for you and valuable tips that could potentially save you time and money if you ever decide to embark on your own shipping container home adventure. Trust me, it's worth it. Now let's peel back the layers of other unconventional yet and the construction process. Thanks for watching my videos.